Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering some recent quant news that is extremely bullish. Make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of the video. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So when you look at quant on the weekly time frame, not much has changed since my last video. The stochastics are pushing up and the RSI is a little bit oversold. Neither indicator looks too bad right now. You could then also argue that quant is trading in a falling wedge, which break up 68% of the time, and the measured move would take you to about $157. And then if you pull a Fibonacci, quant is trading just beneath the golden pocket. Typically, these four indicators suggest it's a decent time to start accumulating quant if you guys believe in it long term. But keep in mind, quant and most other crypto projects right now are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, most will go up. If Bitcoin goes down, most will go down. Now, if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, the stochastics and the RSI are both a little bit overbought, but that's not the end of the world. But there are a couple very bullish indicators. If you look at the moving averages, the 21-day just recently crossed the 200-day. That is a golden cross. Typically, that signals an explosive move is coming for Bitcoin. And what I mentioned in a few of my other videos is that price action is trading away from the 21-day moving average. Typically, what you'll see happen is price action will come down, touch the 21-day, and bounce off of it as support. And that's pretty much exactly what has started to happen. And in doing so, Bitcoin is also potentially forming a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time and has a measured move to over 35K, which measured moves do not always play out. And keep in mind, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So all of a sudden, if it comes out that the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF were to get accepted, that could skyrocket quant, Bitcoin, the rest of the crypto market. On the contrary, if it gets rejected or the XRP case gets reversed, that could tank the entire crypto market. So just keep an open mind. Realize anything can happen in crypto. Now, the first piece of news I want to cover is an update on the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock insiders say Bitcoin ETF is likely 6 months away. We're going to fight like cats and dogs to win market share once spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved. And there are tweets coming out that are saying it's a matter of when and not if, which if you guys haven't watched any of my previous videos, I am extremely bullish on the Bitcoin ETF. You have to understand, BlackRock is in charge of almost $9 trillion of funds. If their Bitcoin ETF gets accepted, it will make it significantly easier for the average person to actually get into cryptocurrency. And most importantly, the older generations who have most of the money. And I've went as far to say that I think this could potentially be a catalyst that starts an early bull market. So in my opinion, the Bitcoin ETF is definitely something you guys are going to want to keep your eyes on. And now I'll go over the fundamentals and tokenomics of Quant for those of you guys that don't know. So Quant is currently trading at just under $102. It has a market cap of 1.2 billion, which ranks 40th among all cryptocurrencies. They have a max supply of 14.8 million and a circulating supply of 12 million, which is 81% in circulation. And their max supply is tiny. To put things into perspective, Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million. Quant being just over 2/3 of that is extremely scarce, even more so than Bitcoin. And Quant reached its all-time high back in the 2021 bull market at $428 and is down 76% since then. And if you guys are looking to invest in Quant, I would recommend using Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. I think those are the three easiest centralized exchanges to use. Quant launched in June of 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system, which is their Overledger network. Now, a lot of people, when they see Quant's extremely low supply, they just assume Quant's trying to be like another Bitcoin. But the reality is Bitcoin is very similar to digital gold. Quant is arguably trying to solve a much bigger use case, as they are essentially trying to be the glue for the entire world economy. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give some price predictions, and I'll give my opinion as to why I think Quant could be one of the top tier leading cryptocurrencies. Now, the founder of Quant is Gilbert Verdian, and he has over 20 years of industry experience in upgrading the security, technology, and business strategies of businesses around the globe in order to achieve tangible results. And he also founded the ISO standard TC307, which has 53 countries working towards it. And it's responsible for the standardization in relation to blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. I will say he is one of the most well-connected CEOs of any crypto project. And on top of that, Quant is also one of 8 cryptocurrencies that are rumored to be ISO 20022 compliant, which is huge because this allows them to integrate within the entire financial sector, working alongside central banks with cross-border payments. And being ISO compliant, that is naturally going to give Quant a lot more credibility than most projects, and in my opinion will make it significantly more difficult for Quant to fail long term. Now, when you look at Quant's website, the foundation of the blockchain economy, assets of all kinds from currencies to carbon credits are being tokenized on blockchain. Our patented technology makes this simple, trusted, and future-proof, which the patented technology is one of my favorite things about Quant. You aren't going to see a bunch of other projects that are out here trying to copy them. They are very unique. And if you're looking for a high-end investment, you want a project that's very innovative. And now when you look at Quant's Twitter, they have 134,000 followers. And just August 8th, they posted, "We are expanding our team as we reaffirm our commitment to our clients and invest in further business growth," as they hired a new sales director, which is a great thing to see that they're still expanding their team, especially during a bear market. And now this is the news I really want to talk about today. We have secured a new patent, part of our ongoing mission to make distributed ledger technology simple, trusted, and future-proof. So as you can see, Quant granted patent for chronologically ordering blockchain transactions. The patent, titled Blockchain Communications and Ordering, recognizes that Quant has invented a unique method for chronologically ordering transactions from different blockchains. A patent is an entirely objective seal that a firm is indeed a true innovator, which is why we're unashamedly excited about this. Patents underpin many of the world's most important inventions. Again, this is extremely important for Quant because it shows that they are such a unique project. Look around at the crypto space. There is no project that's like Quant. Yeah, some people may argue that Chainlink or something like that is somewhat similar, but they're really not. And this is a big reason I think Quant will do so well in the future. And I do also understand there are some of you guys out there that don't like Quant because it's a very centralized project, and you don't like the fact that they're working alongside central banks to push CBDCs. However, purely from an investment standpoint, central banks control most of the money in the world, and CBDCs are going to happen regardless. So from my perspective, why not invest in a project that is extremely innovative and has a very high likelihood chance to actually succeed due to how powerful their connections are? And now for the final part of this video, I'm going to show the amount of potential that Quant actually has next bull run. So this is a snapshot of the 2021 bull market, November 14th. This was around when Bitcoin was reaching its all-time highs. As you can see, Bitcoin is $65,400. And then as you guys see, Quant is all the way down here ranked 59th with a market cap of 3.2 billion and its price was $269. And this was the heights of the bull market. Now, I just want to show some of the projects that were actually above Quant. So you have even Kadena above them at 3.3 billion, Elrond 6.3 billion, Chainlink 15.7 billion, Terra Luna 22.9 billion, and we know what happened to Terra Luna. And then Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which are meme coins, 29 billion, 34 billion. And then even a project like Solana, 72.2 billion. And now if you go to market cap of, I just want to show you guys the price that Quant would be at if it reached some of the market caps that some of these other projects reached last bull run. So for example, if Quant were to reach the market cap of Chainlink's all-time high, it would be trading at a price point of $1,500, which would be just under a 15x. And Chainlink's all-time high market cap was 22 billion. I think this is very reasonable for Quant. And then theoretically, if it reached the market cap of Shiba Inu, it'd be trading at a price point of $2,800, and that'd be a 27x. And Shiba's all-time market cap high was 41.1 billion. And now if you guys are someone that believes Quant could reach the all-time market cap high that Solana reached last bull run, it'd be trading at a price point of $5,300, and that'd be a 52x. And Solana's all-time market cap high was 77.4 billion. Now, in my personal opinion, I think this might be a little bit high for Quant, at least in the next bull run. However, in the future, I definitely think this is reasonable for Quant. I'm telling you guys, interoperability and essentially being the glue for the entire world economy is about as big of a use case as you can actually get in crypto. Quant is essentially a company that is leveraging crypto, which is great because that gives people like you and me the opportunity to actually invest in it. But these price predictions are just for educational purposes. Please do your own research and come to your own conclusions. And that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about Quant? And how high do you think it could reach next bull run? Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the content and want to continue making gains in the crypto market. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.
I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand, and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome.